Hi friends, I am Jivaratnam. My channel name is G Motion Pictures. Please subscribe my channel, view my channel and like my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I will send you the new uploaded video URLs and notifications. Thank you. Hi friends, let's start the installation process of the pump jet, that is a jet monoblock. This electric motor was manufactured by Texmo Company, Aquasub Engineering Unit 2nd at Coimbatore. The technical staff reached the installation place with the material, that is a jet monoblock motor and a 140 feet double heavy pipe to insert in the borehole, some spare parts and their toolkits. In the beginning, they are trying to fit the additional iron pipes and a pressure meter to the pump jet. Generally, a pump jet known as hydrojet or water jet. This is a marine system that produces a jet of water for propulsion. The mechanical arrangement may be a ducted propeller, a centrifugal pump, or a mixed flow pump, which is a combination of both centrifugal and axial designs. The design also incorporates an intake to provide water to the pump and a nozzle to direct the flow of water out of the pump. A pump jet works by having an intake that allows water to pass underneath the vessel into the engines. Water enters the pump through this inlet. The pump can be of a centrifugal design for high speeds or an axial flow pumps for low to medium speeds. The water pressure inside the inlet is increased by the pump and forced backwards through a nozzle. With the use of a reversing bucket, reverse thrust can also be achieved for firing backwards quickly and without the need to change gear or adjust engine thrust. The reversing bucket can also be used to help slow the ship down when braking. This feature is the main reason Pump jets are so maneuverable. After completion of the fitting the additional iron pipes and a pressure meter to the pump jet, they covered the footwall with the nylon net and tied that with a plastic rope. Then they are trying to insert the double pipe into the borehole. It may be heavy to insert, but the technical staff experientially then they are inserting the pipe into borehole. After inserting the pipe, they fitted the other sides of the pipes with the pump jet. Here they are trying to fit the other sides of the pipes to the pump jet. It is not a easy task. It is a difficult task. So the staff trying to fit that pipes to the pump jet with the help of separate tools. This connection is very important It is useful to pump the water from out of the borewell. So the staff keenly observing the connection. The technical staff rightly placed the pump jet on the top of the borewell. It is a hard situation, but they have experience, so they easily placed the pump jet on the top of the borewell. There is a connection box to the pump jet. It is very important to connect the pump jet to the connection place. Here the technician connected wires in the connection box and connected the other sides of the wires with a three-way pin for electric supply. In the installation process, the connection from pump jet to switchboard, the electric connection, is an important thing. So, The technician trying to connect the pump jet with the switchboard carefully. If he do that thing wrongly, the total installation process will be failure. So he is trying to connect the wires correctly with the pump jet to switchboard.
పైన 6 to 10 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి రెడ్ మార్క్ లో ఉన్నాయన్న. దానికి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఒక పుల్ల, రైట్ సైడ్ ఒక పుల్ల ఉంది కదా. రైట్ సైడ్ పుల్ల అవుతుంది ఒకసారి. ఎంత చూపిస్తుంది నెట్ ఇల్లు వస్తున్నాయి చూడండి. వదిలేసేయండి ఒకసారి, జీరోలో పడుతుంది చూడండి. బ్లాక్ కదా, పట్టుకున్న మీటర్ లేదా చూడండి. లైట్ లేదా, సప్లై ప్రాబ్లం సార్. సప్లై ప్రాబ్లం కరెంట్ ఏదో చూడండి. అది వేరే మీటర్ కదా, ఒకటే మీటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఒకటే మీటర్ ఒక మీటర్ ఒకసారి ఆపరేట్ కూడా చూడండి. లేదంటే ఈ మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ వైర్ కట్ అయినట్టు జరుగుతుంది. అది సెంటర్ నొక్కినప్పుడు
The jet monoblocks are capable of pumping water from bore wells and open wells and offer an economical alternative to submersible pumps. They are available in both side suction and bottom suction models. They are very useful. So householders and farmers also using these type of models to their premises. After completion of the installation process of the pump jet, the technical staff switched on and the pump jet successfully worked. The water come out of the pump. They are happy. This is the process of installation pump jet on the bore well. Thank you.